You're offered 10 million in a currency of your choice, but you must reverse time by 10 years. 10 million in a currency of your choice just to reverse time by 10 years. If you accept, the clock rewinds to exactly 10 years ago. You will have 10 million in a bank account, full access, no questions asked. Everything gets reversed. If you're 25 years old, you revert back to 15. Anyone you've ever met within the last 10 years will not know you. Anyone that has died will be back. If you've had children, they won't be born. If you've met your SO, you won't have come across each other before. You retain all of your memories of your life over the 10 years that have been reversed. You will not remember specific details that may benefit you financially, such as lottery or investing. It will also gain no interest. Life will not pan out the exact same as the 10 years you've just experienced. Your decisions will be different. Therefore, your life will be different. Do you accept? Why or why not?